is Dr. Cohen, Heron Lake Spine and Wellness Center. We want to make sure that we're staying safe and sanitary and keeping clean. As I've mentioned numerous times before, we promote that here. We're even more diligent than we've ever been before with cleaning all of our tables and washing our hands thoroughly, our patients' hands, and so on and so forth. In regards to making sure we keep clean, with washing our tables down, washing our hands, making sure the office is extremely clean for our patients. And we're doing our part. We will be open this Thursday from 9 to 7 and Saturday from 9 to 11. I do ask everybody, as we are trying to do, and that is to take the time for yourself, take the time to be with your loved ones, and again, let's try to eradicate this pandemic as soon as we possibly can. Have a great night. Be safe. Dr. Cohen, out.